Hi, I'm Thomas, and this is the COMBAT CROSSBOW. These are the instructions on how to use the COMBAT CROSSBOW. First, you have to load the COMBAT CROSSBOW. This is how you load the COMBAT CROSSBOW. You have your popsicle projectile. You have this arrow. Make sure this arrow is pointed up at all times. What you're going to do is load it like this into the weapon, and it will lie right there. Now, what we're going to do is pull this string back and notch it on the trigger. Now it's ready to fire and ready to go. There's no safety in this weapon. So remember, when you pull the trigger, it's firing. Let's step back and have a live demonstration. Remember, point and shoot.